joint restriction right here in our upper cervical spine. We're going to go right into that. Very good. We can feel some restriction down at the bottom of our neck at C6, C7. Good. Good. Very good. And now a restriction here in the pelvis. We're going to go right into that joint and realign it. Great. Let's go on the other. Feel the lumbars here, slightly misaligned. I'm going to go in, push right on the lumbar joint. Very good. And let's check our pelvis.
Do this way. Oh, that was better. That was better. I know you heard that. That was amazing. Oh, fantastic.
Breath in here, all the way out, relax. Good, very well. You did awesome. Breath in and out, chin up. Good. Okay, that's really gonna help. Good. Good. Let's go on the other side. Awesome. Down to this lower portion of the sacrum. Good. Okay, awesome. Let's get you. Good. Good. Right here. Relax. Good.
Holy cow.
That.
Okay. Felt that, right?
Yeah.
Just a bit less. There we go.
Oh.
That was a better one.
Yep.
Oh, I'm scared. What if I poop?
Oh, well.
What if I pee?
We'll try to make sure that doesn't happen. There you go. See, that was easier, wasn't
No.
it? Didn't hurt me a bit.
I bet it didn't. Okay.
There you go. Keep breathing. There we go. See? Yep. Perfect.
Okay.
That's
Oh. Oh. My God. Oh.
it. Yep. It's tight right up here.
Peaceful oscillations, or if I were to adjust it, I would go here, like that. If I'm just doing T1 on both sides, I can do peaceful oscillations, which is, it's good. And then if you want a little bit more, you can go like that.
All the way up. Good, good. Perfect.
Okay, take a breath through your nose, Yolanda, and relax. Oh, yeah. Did you feel that all the way down?
Oh, yes.
Yep. Well, you screamed louder today than you did the first time. That's all right.
Oh.
You did good, though. Relax this right in my hand. I got you. Dropping my hand. There you go. Cervical spine. Yep, both sides. That's good. Take a deep breath through your nose, Catherine, and relax it out and relax. Oh, yeah.
Oh, my Lord.
Yep.
Woo.
This is basically our biggest shock and awe adjustment that we do, but it works, and she's still kicking.
Relax, relax. There we go. One side, alright. You know that felt good, alright.
No,
now
you
go
didn't.
the other way. Just relax, don't be scared, don't be scared. There.
Very good. Okay. Good movement here. Relax right in here. Very good. Deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Good. Relax right in here. Good. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Okay, relax right in here. Right here, we're just we're getting in here and we're providing some mobility. Good. Get complete spinal motion in here. We know that spinal motion helps with soft tissue relaxation. Spinal motion is going to help with segmental draining of inflammation. So we want to keep our spine nice and mobile. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Look at deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good.
All right, and I'm going to put a little pressure right here. There it goes. Great. So we're going to just turn here. Oof. Just a little click like that.
みちゃんはかなりの母音なので首筋に負担がかかっているらしい。これはね行われる。
Ready? Deep breath. Oh yeah. Oh, hello. Oh yeah. Man, I don't even touch you, you're moving. You ready? Relax for me. Oh, over. Oh, hello. All the way up. Beautiful. Nice. Inspiró. Soltar, absolutamente só. Ótimo. Muito bom. Vai sobre aqui. Só. Ótimo.
Vertical adjustment on the neck. Drop the head. Very good. Cervical spine. C1, C2. Great. Stretch. Very good. Let's go right sacroiliac joint. Good. Very good.
Κάτι κράτς-κρούτς άκουσα, παιδιά, κάτι γίνεται εκεί μέσα. Ωχ, Παναγία μου, πολύ κράτς-κρούτς. Παιδιά, ο άνθρωπος μόνο κράτς-κρούτς γίνεται, το κορμί μου...
脇締めましょう。そうですね。で、力抜いてもらって、ゆっくり後ろに倒れましょう。もっと入ってる入ってる入ってるよ。大丈夫大丈夫。
Hey, keep your teeth together for me. And nice deep breath, girl. And just breathe normal for me. I'll catch you. That's it. Perfect. Boy, that was perfect. Home run. That's why we call it ring dinger. And looky there, you're still kicking. Okay. This is their favorite, the Palmer Diversified Cervical Rotary Braid. Yep. Yours too, though, huh? Yep, just like that. Good girl. Okay. Let me let this hit. I feel a little better. Okay. Yeah, you're pretty tight through here. There we go. Your hips. Okay. How about that one? Feel that one up there too? Yes, trooper. So you don't make the drama queen list, which is a good thing for you. We got more men in here than more drama queens than you are.